Hello, I'm Sarah Ann Fernandez, a leading UK Maths consultant, and together with Trevor Dixon, UK Maths assessment expert and Senior Key Stage 2 SATS test marker for 2022, we have devised a Year 6 SATS Maths revision programme to help your pupils smash SATS. Our revision programme is unique because we guarantee coverage of every single Key Stage 2 test framework code from Years 3 to Year 6. As this chart shows, each year approximately 30 marks are based on Years 3 and 4 learning, 29 marks on Year 5 learning, and 50 marks on Year 6 learning. It is therefore vital that pupils revise their learning from Years 3, 4 and 5 so that they are fully prepared for the Maths SATS papers. We can't take for granted that pupils will remember simple facts. In fact, in 2019, the last national SATS since the COVID pandemic, the results data showed that just over 50% of all pupils nationally knew how many days were in September, October and November. This is a Year 3 learning objective, which we know all pupils would have learnt in primary school. Our revision programme ensures that pupils revisit these key facts, but also other key maths terminology, so that they feel fully prepared and confident for the Maths SATS. Some other key features of our programme are we provide video feedback for every question so pupils can learn how to show their method and develop good understanding of the questions. Our video feedback is unique to Smash Maths as no other digital product or revision book provides this. So we are very proud to be able to offer this to our pupils so they make maximum progress and of course can work independently whilst doing their revision, because the video feedback helps support and guide them through the questions. A variety of problem solving and reasoning and of course arithmetic questions are completed by the pupils over the programme. In fact, 200 questions to be precise. Every question is different. We don't just ask the same question with different numbers like some of our competitors. Together, Trevor and I have years of experience of writing assessments and maths books for some of the UK's leading publishers, so we are delighted to now bring our own product to the market. I'm now going to talk you through a short demo so you can see exactly what the revision programme looks like. To start, the pupils need to log on to the smashmaths.org website. Here you can see there is a login button to the dashboard. The pupils will need to log on using their unique individual login and password. Once they have logged on to the dashboard using their unique login and password, they will see that the SATS revision programme has been assigned to them. If you click here on this icon, the pupils will see that the programme is made up of 25 practices. I'm going to work through the first practice to show you what each online practice looks like. Each practice begins with this welcome page. It reminds the pupils to have pencil and paper to show they're working out and of course try their best. Each practice is made up of 8 high-quality SATS questions. They need to begin by entering their first name. Here is the first question of the practice. The answer to this question is 375,302. Because I have answered the question correctly, I have been rewarded with a fun and engaging GIF. Here is an example of a ratio question. If the pupil answers the question incorrectly or doesn't know how to solve the question, they can just press enter and they will be taken straight to a video. The video will talk them through exactly how to solve the question. I'm going to play part of the video here so you can see the video feedback that has been given by Trevor Dixon, who is a Key Stage 2 test marker for this year's SATs.
Let's solve it together. Sarah needs to mix some concrete. She reads that the concrete is made with 1 part sand, 2 parts cement, and 4 parts gravel. She mixes 140 kilograms of concrete. How much cement has Sarah used? So I'm going to use the bar model. The top bar is going to represent the concrete, which is all of the mixture, and there are 140 kilograms altogether. Next, let's look at the parts. 1 part is sand, 2 parts are cement, and 4 parts are gravel. So altogether there are 7 parts. So I'm going to divide the middle bar up into 7 parts.
I'm going to stop the video feedback here, but as you can see, our video feedback that has been provided is clear and simple for the children to follow, and we use effective images such as the bar model to help pupils really develop their understanding of how to answer the question. As I work through the practice, you will see that pupils are given the opportunity to practice every content domain in every practice. Of course, number skills are really important and essential for pupils to know, but as you know, SATs assess the whole curriculum, so we want our pupils feeling confident with fractions, measures, shape, and all types of graphs, such as this pictogram here. At the end of the practice, a summary report is sent directly to the parent or teacher, whose email address has been assigned to the pupil. Also, you could click here on this green button, where you can see the Smash Maths report for the practice in full. You will see the questions that I've answered correctly have been rewarded with a GIF, and the questions where I have not answered correctly or don't know the answer to, there are the video links where you can play the video from here to help the pupil revisit and understand the question. On completion of the programme, we guarantee that pupils would have covered every single Key Stage 2 test framework code from years 3 to 6 that could be assessed in the SATs. 200 high-quality SATs questions, each with video feedback. The full revision programme will be kept on the pupils' dashboard until the 2022 SATs take place, so pupils can complete each of the 25 practices 1, 2, 3, or even 10 times. We all know practice makes perfect. We would love to have your pupils on board and have you join us at www.smashmaths.org/SATs. We really believe that our programme is the best programme on the market to help pupils fully prepare and feel confident for this year's Key Stage 2 SATs.